Did you know that mastering English grammar can change your communication? Understanding grammar is essential for clear expression. Let's start with the parts of speech. There are 8 primary types: noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Each serves a unique purpose in sentences. Next, we have articles. A, an, and. The. Use a for singular nouns starting with a consonant sound. Use an for vowels. The specifies something unique or previously mentioned. Then, let's talk about pronouns. They replace nouns to avoid repetition. Examples include he, she, it, and they. Now, let's focus on tenses. Present tense discusses current actions, past tense relates to finished actions, and future tense looks ahead to upcoming actions. Following that, we have subject-verb agreement. The subject must match the verb in number and person, like, he runs, versus, they run. Prepositions link nouns or pronouns to other words, like, in, on, at, and, between. They convey relationships in time and space. Conjunctions join words or phrases. Common ones include and, but, and, or. They help create smoother sentences. Next, we'll look at common grammar mistakes. Misplacing apostrophes or mixing up there can lead to confusion. Finally, let's wrap up with a practice quiz. Test your knowledge to reinforce what you've learned. Understanding grammar improves your writing and speaking skills. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you never miss my future video. Thanks you for watching.